Alright, yo, what's good? Today I got you guys with the alyx af1 that just recently came out, created with just black sheet. The 1017 alyx 9-7. And then the side. This is honestly pretty cool. Just some details. It says we are more united by our similarities than our differences. That's hard. So for the details, you got the alyx on the metal tab right at the front. Your alyx branding around the sides. And the leather feels really nice. I have a lot more of a softer feel, and you can see closely that it's tumbled. The side, you got the alyx logo. The thing that differentiates these A1s from the rest is it has no panel on this side right here. As you can see, I'm gonna show you guys my beat ass A1s, but you see it has this panel and it separates the two. This is the difference, which is definitely different. I'm definitely looking forward to what it looks like on feet. On the left shoe as well, it says alyx. Pretty simplistic. Of course, the last detail that they give you with these is the lighter cap. I would think is what they refer to it as, because that's what they usually use on other products. It's a metal tab that's on the left side of the top of the tongue to hold down your lace.